So I'm back in my storage unit. I'm just looking at clothes. I'm trying to get an eBay store started. So I'm just going through my stuff that's in here. I'm getting ready to take some pictures of stuff like that I just found. Like this. Oh, I got this from Goodwill. Wrangler. It's cute. But this is mine that I had, a Lucky brand. It's brand new scarf. It's pretty. I'm gonna try to sell that. I got my clothes up here still. I only put some of that on eBay so far. And then I have this container of clothes that I have not even gone through yet. That's also going up. So, trying to give myself a head start posting things. I would flip the camera, but I forgot my lights and I look very unflattering in this view. So while I'm getting everything ready for my eBay store, I'm taking pictures and stuff. This is one thing, I guess just more or less to help people that are looking or interested, to tell them how long, you know, the width, the height, whatever it is. So this scarf is a pretty large, or wide, I guess you could say, scarf. So when I take pictures, I set this tape measure up. As you can see, it's about 1 foot and 3 inches. And then I go ahead, I can actually take a picture just like this. Let's see. Oops. Now if that worked, I don't know. I have to go back and look. Next thing, it's gonna be kind of hard since it's very long, but I think I'm gonna do it in half, like this, and have it laying out this way. I'm gonna measure that way next. So here I am again, but I stopped at the fringe, and I measured it all the way down to, ooh, can't see, it's 2 feet, maybe 8 inches or 7.5 inches. So I'm gonna add the fringe. I'm gonna measure this fringe out, and then I'm just gonna times it by 2 and get an estimated length of how long it is. Okay, so here I am again, to the fringe, to the bottom. Let's say about 10 inches long for the fringe. So I got really lucky this week at work because Monday, Tuesday we closed because of the snowstorm. And then probably the beginning of February, I had already taken off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. And I'm off Monday too. So now I wasn't really able to do much on Monday during the snowstorm because the internet went out. So, you know, wasn't much to do except for, you know, stuff around the house. And same with yesterday. But today, like I was showing you in the storage unit, I'm starting to put stuff up on eBay, take pictures of things. So I'm still working on that. Today's Wednesday, by the way. I got my iced Dunkin' Latte to hold me through the day. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some more scratch off tickets later. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I was trying to go around to see one of the local parks with the snow covered on the ground, but the gate was closed, so I guess they don't want anyone in there. Anyway, that's it. So I'm here, but I'm driving. People are driving very crazy, and this snow is like, we get so much snow that the snow is just kind of like blocking some of the street, and people are driving so fast that like it's causing, I don't know. Anyway, people are just driving crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. So I stopped at Goodwill. I have a bag full. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Oh, you might fall. But I
got stuff from Goodwill in here. I went to my favorite convenience store. I got some Year of the Horse. I called it Year of the Dragon. It's Year of the Horse. I went to, I'm a coffee fiend, as you could say. I showed my coffee earlier. I went to Starbucks and I got chocolate. It's the Dubai chocolate, but it's just chocolate and then it's banana cold foam on top. I can't wait to try it. I have not tried it yet. I was gonna wait because I want to show you guys what I got from Goodwill. Okay, I'm in my car again. Oh, actually, I've been in my car most of this time. I'm taking my Dunkin' straw and I'm putting it in my Starbucks drink. Here it is again. I got the venti iced Dubai chocolate mocha. But I think what makes it Dubai was the pistachio top. But I got banana. Sounds so good. So I'm gonna mix it up some. I got the Year of the Horse. I got 7 tickets. So I went to Goodwill. I just happened to drive past that way and I was like, you know what, let me just stop. And I blindly bought 2 CDs. So this one is 20 something Jamie Cullum. I don't know. The problem is people steal the CDs from inside the case. So David Cook. I feel like I've heard of this guy though. So anyway, like some of the CDs that I wanted have no CD in them because people steal them. I got a couple purses. Vera Bradley. It's in good condition. Actually, I can't really get to them. I shoved them all in this bag. I got a couple purses. Mostly purses. And I got this other glass thing that I can't get to right now. It's at the bottom. But I think I did good. I think I found some good stuff while I was there to sell.